Hi, it's Ivor David from the IT Bar, and I'm here to keep my word because I'm a man of my word. And I did say to you in the last video that in this video, I am going to show you method 2 on how to connect to Zoom. Let me describe it to you. Someone calls you up on the phone and says to you, hi, I want you to join my meeting or my class, and you're going to need this meeting ID. You get yourself a pen and paper and write down the meeting ID. That information will be absolutely essential when you try to join their meeting. Because when you go to Zoom, it's going to say, what is the meeting ID? But you will have it written down on a piece of paper. So let me take you through the demonstration, and then hopefully it'll make things a lot clearer. But before that, some music. Okay, so first things first, I need to make a call to my student, give him the meeting ID and let him use that to access my meeting in Zoom. Hi, I have a student. Hi, I'm going to give you the meeting ID. Have you got a pen and paper? Yep. Excellent. Are you ready? Yeah. So the meeting ID is 769. You got it? Read it back to me. 769-5578-7764. That's exactly that. Now, listen, you have to remember, what's that? The number I've given you, this meeting ID, only works once for this meeting, okay? If you go to any other meeting afterwards, you'll have to get a fresh, brand spanking new meeting ID. Okay? So you can throw this one away once you've used it. Unless, of course, the host creates a reoccurring meeting that repeats each week. In which case, you'll use the same meeting ID each time you join a session. Got it? Got it. I'll see you soon. Good man. Okay, so I have the meeting ID. All I got to do now is start my Zoom and enter this meeting ID that I've written down on a piece of paper. Let's give it a go. Okay, so this is student Ivor, and I'm going to try and join teacher Ivor in his Zoom meeting. So the first thing I need to do is launch Zoom. So here's the Zoom icon here on my desktop. I double click on it and up pops the Zoom screen, and it says simply join a meeting. So far so easy. So let me click on join a meeting. Oh, look at that. That's quite simple, isn't it? Now it says join a meeting, enter the meeting ID or personal link name. Well, we've got a meeting ID here, so I want to type that in, which was okay. So let me click on join and see what happens next. Click. Oh wow, look, just like in the previous video, I'm asked to wait in a waiting room until the host or the tutor, in this case, teacher Ivor, admits me. So I'm going to wait for a second and see if he's noticed that I'm waiting to go in and admit me. Oh, something's happening. I think I'm in. We're going in. Oh, yep, we're in. Excellent. There's a few more things to do, and then we can go in and say hello to teacher Ivor. First of all, in order to say hello, we need to get our audio working. So join with computer audio. So we click on join with audio. Excellent. And then we need to start our video. And hopefully you will see yourself and the teacher Ivor will see me as well. So I'm going to be waving at the camera. Hey, there you go. Look at that. So teacher Ivor can see me and my friend over there. Teacher Ivor, you may continue. And I will continue. So student Ivor has managed to join me in this meeting by taking a call, writing down the meeting ID, and entering it into Zoom when required. So I hope you guys were following along. And you know what? If you were finding it difficult to keep up, you know what you can do. You can pause us, you can rewind us, and you can play us again. Okay, you can play me again. He ain't gonna respond. Look at that guy. Music.